The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD chassis delivers power and versatility for any job. Tackle tough terrains with confidence thanks to the automatic rear locking differential for enhanced traction and underbody skid plates that provide essential protection, making every drive a smooth and secure experience. Step inside to discover the Chevrolet infotainment system with smartphone integration and premium leather seating for ultimate comfort on every journey. Call or visit Capital Chevrolet GMC of Lexington today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500.